Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again I am back and latest stylish and elegant like crown style hairband flower looks like rose flower and with the green leaves and different flower, pink rose and white rose. Beautiful and latest headband adorned with silk and fabric roses is a classic and elegant choice for formal event. And flower hairbands coming out with variety of design to suit different style and performance. Here are some popular designs and ideas like baby breath, delicate headband, and beautiful styling and shooting a white baby breath flower is a perfect for a stable and romantic look. And flower crown style, beautiful and latest ideas. Now for their lash petals and are often using larger flower crowns for a bold and feminine appearance. And latest sunflower crown like sunflower are bright and cheerful, making them a popular choice for outdoor events and summer festival. So I hope you like it. So guys, please keep sharing and watching my video and see this video till the end.